Incoming PNP Chief Ronald De La Rosa stressed that the National Police must consider quality and not quantity in order to attain victory against criminality and illegal drugs under the Duterte administration. De La Rosa said that it would be much better to have a small number of police force as long as they are sure that they will work wholeheartedly and will not engage in any illegal activity. De La Rosa also reiterated that no threats to his life will stop him from the intensified campaign to eliminate the drug menace. This report.
The next PNP chief says it is not fearful of influential drug syndicates in the country. In fact, Police Chief Superintendent Ronald De La Rosa warned a violent crackdown on drug lords. De La Rosa said he has received an intelligence report that some drug lords convene inside the new Bilibid prison.
May information na karating sa akin, galing from the inside, galing sa loob, na gano'n nga, dudublehin nila. Yung 5 million na offer ni Mayor, gawin nilang 10, para lang ang magiging target si Mayor at ako. Kami ni Mayor ang magiging target. Gawin daw lang 10 million. Masasabi ko lang naman dyan is bring it on.
Due to PNP's intensified campaign against illegal drugs, De La Rosa assured drug lords will no longer be able to do business. He also said he will not tolerate corrupt law enforcers who protect drug syndicates and allow the vicious cycle of drug trafficking.
Basta this time, I must see to it na hindi nila makayang bayaran ng polis.
Pag-upo ko?
Pag-upo ko. We will make it very, very expensive for them to pay the police.
De La Rosa said he is not afraid of offering his life in pursuance of combating illegal drugs.
Hindi man siguro ako ganun kagwapo na takot ako mamatay. Anytime you can kill me. Sabi ko, bring it on. Punta kayo dito kung gusto nyo. Abangan nyo ako kung saan nyo gusto ko abangan. Hindi ako takot mamatay, hindi ba ako gwapo. Kaya nga, hinahamon ko lang sila ng gira. Hinahamon ko lang sila ng barilan para matapos na lahat. Kasi magpapile-file ka pa ng kaso tapos ngayon ang pulis pa ang mahaharas dahil sa dami nila ng pera, di ba? Magre-risk back sila sa pulis, tapos ang pulis ang magkakaproblema. So para once and for all matapos na ito, gira na lang. Hamunin ko sila ng gira.
Sir, doon sa 10 million.
Kita tayo kung saan nyo gusto, mag-gira tayo.
Meanwhile, the incoming PNP chief refuses to name the 3 generals who, according to President-elect Rodrigo Duterte, are involved in the illegal drugs trade. De La Rosa had earlier said around 1% of their police force are involved in illegal drugs, and he has a copy of the names of other officials engaging in the illegal activity.